Hi everyone, Angela here. I just want to add a little something extra to my Christmas decorations. I'm using a thin ribbon that has velvet on one side and is plain on the other side. I'm wrapping a nice long length around the neck with the velvet side facing me. Cross the right side over the left, then push the right side under, then over the loop, and pull it tight to create a half knot. Move the ribbon that's on top out of the way, and then with the ribbon on the bottom, make a small loop and hold in place. Take the top ribbon and wrap it around the left side of the loop and hold that in place. Now there's a center opening. Because there's only velvet on one side, we can't just simply loop it through as the plain side will show. We first need to twist it up and over, forming a loop, and then thread it through the center opening. It should be all of the velvet sides facing forward. Pull on the loops to tighten, and you'll just have to keep adjusting until it's nice and neat and the bow is the size you want. It's just a bit trickier when you're using single-faced ribbon. When you're using ribbon that's the same on both sides, you don't have to do that extra twist and you don't need to adjust it as much. To finish the ends, carefully fold the ribbon in half, matching the edges. Now cut on a diagonal from the edges up to the fold. Just make sure you're not cutting from the fold up to the edges. Next, I'm pulling out a long length of thread, folding it in half, and threading the center through a needle. Pull and cut so that you have 4 strands. At the center of the bow, thread in and out through as many layers as possible. Pull through, leaving about 5 or 6 inches of thread at the bottom. String 2 small jingle bells onto the thread and then stitch through the center of the bow again. Pull the threads nice and tight, then tie together in a double knot between the bells. Happy holidays, everyone!